I'm going to show you how you can create a sculpture for a place in your community, like your school or maybe a local park. We're going to do this using Paint 3D. So the first thing that you want to do is find a picture of the place that you want to use to create your sculpture. You could do a Google search for the place that you're looking for. I'm going to put a few in the chat of your Teams meeting when we do this in class. So once you find the picture that you want, you're going to right click and copy image. Then you're going to open up your Paint 3D and you can right click and paste. All right. And then we're going to go to the 3D shapes. And so you can use any of these actually to create a sculpture. So I'm going to show you how to use the 3D doodles first. So you can play with these and decide which ones you like best. So I'm going to try this one in the middle here. So with these, you're going to start a shape and you have to enclose that shape. So you want to go all the way around and then back to that where the little circle is. Okay. All right, so there's the shape. Now you can change the color of it by clicking up here. You can also give it texture by going to your stickers and choosing a texture that you like here. And you can expand it, or you could actually stamp it all over your sculpture. Okay. Now, if you click on your sculpture, you can also spin it around and see it from different angles. So if you want to put your texture on the back, you can do that too. So you go to the stickers and choose that same texture or a different one and just fill in the whole shape. Okay. So now you can spin it around and see your whole sculpture. Of course, you could add more parts to your sculpture if you'd like to. All right, I'm going to show you a different way to do this using these 3D forms here. So you can choose them and then click on your picture. If you want to turn them, you can. And it works kind of well to just stack them up. Okay. All right, so when you get it the way you want, you can, let's see, I'm gonna go to the brushes page and use the fill tool actually to change the color this time. Of course, you could all have them all different colors if you want. Let's try that. Oh, I like that blue. Okay. You could use the marker or the brushes to actually draw on the side of your sculptures if you'd like. Or you can go to the 2D shapes and add shapes to the side of your sculpture. So it's actually gonna change these and make them look right on the sides, and I'll show you what I mean by that in just a minute. Okay, if you want to make this, fill it with a color, you can. Let's see. Okay, and you can play around with that. Okay, so let me show you. If you put a shape on this, oops, what happened there? Oh, I see, it just is really big. Okay, so I'm gonna slide it down. And it actually is going around the corner, which is kind of cool. So you see how that spot is kind of going around the corner of my shape there? I like the way that looks. Okay, maybe I'll do more circles. This time I need to choose a different color because red on red I can't see. All right. So that's really kind of interesting. I like the way those dots look. All right. All right, so you can just play around with that and create your sculpture for your community place, your school or park or wherever you'd like to put that. One thing about this, if you do the separate shapes like this, you can only move one piece at a time. So like I can rotate this part, but it's only gonna rotate that. But that looks kind of cool, actually. I like it better that way. Okay, anyway, so have fun creating your sculpture in Paint 3D.